What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at SMCI stock and let's do its price action analysis. And most importantly, I'll be providing an update to you on the short play that I was trying to play on SMCI and what I have done with that, if I have done anything with that. Okay, so let's dig right into it, and I'll also give you the levels to watch, the sentiment if it has changed, how things may look like on SMCI. Okay, with that, please remember, none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purposes. I'm only sharing my opinion, providing my opinion only for education purposes. That's all. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes, okay? So, first thing first, we have analysts setting the price target to $1,500 now. Yay, this thing will keep rocketing, keep pushing it up. But anyways, a lot of price upgrades are coming on semiconductors today across the board. Nvidia has been getting those, AMD, and all of that. But you know, I don't really care about their upgrades or downgrades. It's more about technicals for me, right? So I just want to cover just in case if you want to know about that information. But no, with technicals is what I would like to trade. So speaking of technicals, let's talk about my position update first. Yes, so I closed my position in the stop loss on the SMCI. So what I did, where I did, and what was my reasoning behind it, let's talk about that first. So I was fine early in the morning as things were going up as well. I was fine. SMCI was not that high. Actually, let's go to the hourly interval. I was fine until this point with SMCI when it was trying to consolidate here and then was trying to just consolidate, and I was expecting this to sell off, and this was, you know, the another trend line I was watching. Sorry, it's on this screen, it's not showing up. I have another screen as well, guys, where, you know, I have other charts as well, but yeah, it's a same replica. I just have a yeah. But anyway, so this was the trend line that I was watching on this chart. Actually, I like to keep it simplified for you guys. So on the other things, I have so many of other complicated things as well on your chart. If I'll have that chart in front of you, you will get confused. So okay, so this was the trend line, and this is where, yeah, okay, well, first of all, just if you're a new viewer on my channel here, I'm going to adjust something on my indicator. If you're a new viewer on my channel, I need to explain you where that trend line came from. And also, if you need access to my tools, guys, links are in the description below of this video. I have two indicators, two trading bots and velocity alerts. You will see the use of them throughout this video as well. Okay, so this trend line, the black one up on the top, was, it's just had so much of pivots, right? I took short plays based off of this multiple times as well. And this is where, but I was watching this trend line. One thing I was watching, right, around here, it broke this trend line. I started to size out in this area across this significant level as well. So you can see how many confluences were coming up here. We were breaking up above the trend line. We were at the significant level as well, and the structure already started to break, guys. So it lost these pivots on the resistance side, right, with this strong candle. And when this strong green candle came after this consolidation, I just didn't want to hold. I started sizing out, and I eventually sized out everything above 200 hours moving average. And so there was these two confluences. One is the trend line and the significant level price getting above it with the strong volume. And then also it was already breaking the structure and failure for the lower highs, right? So it decided to make higher high. And also, if I take you to the 30 minutes, and this is where you will see my swing bot as well, gave the buy position just where that, you know, the trend line, the significant level. So all these confluences were coming up here with the buying happening, which you can see on SMCI is already profitable here. I just got out. I am fully out on this. I booked my stop loss on this position. It's unfortunate, but that's the name of the game. This is the area I'm fully out. So it's going to stay on my chart as a, you know, for record that this is what I ran into stop loss. We'll talk about in just a second what type of you know, play I'm expecting out of it, what things it can do in coming days and weeks. But let me just first adjust this. So here we go. So I took 7 plays on SMCI, 5 were profitable, and 2 ran into my stop loss. Here we go. Okay. So junior trader, now what is it going to keep going up? Well, I just showed you swing bought. Yes, it's showing buying to the upside. And also what I'm seeing, guys, is that it is above now 20 days moving average as well. Even the swing bought position came way before, even before 20 days moving average. But on daily, I'm seeing it's above 20 days moving average now. It has gotten above 50 days moving average as well. So yeah, it is looking that it can continue upside if tomorrow. So here's the thing. Again, short is not out of the question, but tomorrow I would not want to open the short though. But depends. So if it breaks again below 945, I'm interested to see what it's gonna do. So let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about there. So by any chance, guys, if this thing plummets below again $945 and this trend line and 200 hours moving average tomorrow, I would want to see if I can open short again. Okay, it's but right now it is looking like in an uptrend. As long as it's above $945 now, it's in an uptrend. My swing bot has given the buy as well on this. Any pullback up to 945 is either gonna still keep it choppy up here if, let's say, market is selling off in high pressure, or yes, it can continue higher. It's in an uptrend. So just so you know what I mean here, okay? What are the levels to target to the upside? Well, significant level is 1077. That's the possibility on this. Eventually, it's slowly and slowly higher highs it can keep forming and make its way up there. But yes, the structure has shifted from downtrend to uptrend now. So as long as it's not breaking below 945 tomorrow. So if any long plays, let's say someone takes in the pullback at 954, stop loss needs to be there below 200 hours moving average, below significant level, or below this trend line. It has to be there. And yeah, 200 hours moving average is also a good support on this thing now. So yeah. So guys, in my opinion, this has a room to go higher now because structure has broken and the structure has become to the upside. If it confirms the other direction, I'll talk about that. But right now, it's just talking about upside to me. Okie dokie, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for SMCI. Is there anything else I want to talk about in this video? Nope. Do I want to take a long play here? I'm actually interested. It's just that the confluence is not building. I would love to take a long play here, but the market is selling off. Let me show you real quick. This is where I really don't like taking the trades against the broader market. So SPY, as I talked about, this is going to sell off, continue to sell off. It's selling off. I'll do another video today as well on SPY and QQQ today with tech stocks as well. Then QQQ is a little bit green, but it's weak enough. So this may continue to sell off as well. So we will see. But yeah, that's why even though technicals are looking to the upside, just because broader market is selling off, I don't want to take that risk to the upside on this. Yes, even though technicals are looking to the upside, but I would rather let it go to the upside and wait if it confirms the downtrend. But as I'm talking to myself, guys, this is my opinion right now. I might want to open up a long play tomorrow. Yeah, so yeah, this bot that I have on SMCI, I don't have SMCI stock particularly linked to my broker. So SMCI I still trade manually. I use my bot as a reference. In some of the stocks, I have my bot already integrated. But SMCI, because it's a heavy, expensive stock and very volatile, I want to trade this manually. Okay, this is what I'm going to put up here, somewhere here, this trade, but I would want to see what it does in the pre-market. But this is where I would like to take maybe entry and try to shoot for the upside, but I might take partial profits along the ways. But I'm not quite sure if I'm going to take this position. If I'll take this position, I'll share tomorrow, but I already gave you the places to how this is looking in an uptrend, what levels to watch as if it holds supports, and where the stop loss should be. So this is my plan on this thing. So any pullback around these support levels, I'll try to maybe add very small position I would trade, because market is selling off, right? So I don't want to take a big risk on this position on SMCI. But if I open this play, I'll talk about it. If I don't open this play, I don't open this play. then also I'll let you know. But anyways, just want to put it up here. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I'll be doing other videos. I did Tesla already, so did Nvidia. Oh no, Nvidia, one more video will be coming out later. I did one in the morning update, but another video will be coming out soon. So guys, that's all. I'll see you in my next videos. Take care guys. Bye.